We were pretty much repairing some soffit, and as I was repairing the soffit, the squirrel just started screaming. Hey guys, we're here in E-Town servicing this house here, making sure, we get all the repairs that they need to, make the roof last. So we found a couple shingles that were ripped, replacing those shingles, as well as a pipe boot that needs to get replaced as well. Now we're safe out here. The safety instructor is safe. We're gonna go ahead and replace this pipe boot around here. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with a 3-in-1 pipe boot to, provide maximum coverage. There's the culprit here, so you guys can see why we're replacing it. The rubber gasket is pretty much damaged. A lot of splices through there that can cause leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new one on here. 3-in-1 pipe boot, nice and clean. So we had to remove this shingle here. Looks like it was a previous repair, they just caulked it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. As well, it looks like the dimple went through the next shingle as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just replace this section as well while we're here. The best tool right here to pull nails right here. Making sure you get a good shot, man.
Perfect.
Now that we got that shingle nice and repaired, now we're moving on to the next step here, is replacing this capping right here that got damaged. That could have been a bird just, having its way with the capping, just chewing away, see what it can create, or it could have been a squirrel as well. You see a lot of instances where they just come up on the roof and just start chewing away at areas that they think they can get inside at.
And now, story time with Alex.
I actually went to this repair on Tuesday, right? And we were pretty much repairing some soffit, and as I was repairing the soffit, the squirrel just started screaming. And I'm just afraid. I'm like, I called Justin, I'm like, hey, I'm not an exterminator. I'm not sure what to do here because I was not dealing with no squirrels jumping on me.